All right, you ready? Yeah. All right. What's up, kid? You know I'm doing my intro. Chill. I'm blinded by the light. What's up, everybody? Rel here from E&J Capital. Most importantly, your unlicensed financial educator. Today we're going to go over 4 basic options trading strategies for you suckers out there. Basic strategy it is the long call. A long call meaning you're expecting the price of the stock to increase in a period of time. So if you have a contract that lasts 2 months, you're expecting a raise in the 2 months. If not, you're gonna dead it like I did your girl. You pick a stock price, the strike, expiration. You want to do the expected move, make sure you watch that video because we did a video on that as well. The reward is unlimited. Risk is limited to the premium. So if you bought it for $300, that's the most you can lose on that option strategy.
Talk about in the money, out the money, at the money.
For what?
Say what it is.
Don't listen. Don't fucking interrupt me. All right? Who's doing the video? Exactly. All right. What the fuck? Strange the vibe, dude. Just pick the game next to the airport. Before we get into the video, make sure you go watch our last video. Make sure you like the last video and make sure you subscribe while you're over there. Right here, I did a little chart. See this little circle right here? That's your break-even point. And that's when you start making money, is when it goes up above the strike. A premium is what it costs to own the contract, okay? So if you have Apple at $3, $300 is the most you can lose owning that option contract. I don't know if you can see this one. Now we're gonna do the short put, AKA naked putties. So, an investor sells a put when he or she feels actually, we shouldn't even do gender. We should say whatever gender feels bullish. As a seller, you get premium. So this is basically an income strategy because you are collecting premium for selling the puts. Another way of looking at it is selling a put. In other words, it's saying I want to buy this at a certain strike. If it hits, the worst case scenario can happen. This falls to 0 and you're stuck at buying at that strike. That means you lost money doing that because the stock is, say, at 0, which will unlikely never go to. You're buying a stock that's 0 for 32 or something dollars. So that's short put. This is considered a bullish strategy. My shoulder's coming apart. A short call. Right here, you see it? It's when an investor is bearish, okay? He can sell a call option, okay? But I can't even see because the light. Get the light up in there. It's going to drop in value. But remember in our last video, we said, you good? The last video we said there's 2 sides. The buyers have rights. Sellers have obligations. So in this strategy, he is obligated to sell 100 shares if it hits a certain price or whatever, okay? Here's my little drawing right here. It's amazing. All right, so last one we're gonna talk about, and we'll do more of these for you scumbags because we love you and we wanna see you make money, is covered call. You know what, I don't even need the board for that. So a covered call is you're long a stock. And you say, hey, you know what, maybe I want some income. So you sell out of the money options for your stock. Selling out of money options, say, give me a price. 50. Okay, say you have $50 worth of the share. So you're gonna sell options out maybe 60 or 70 and maybe expiration, what are you thinking, a month? A month. So if it doesn't reach that, you collect the premium. If it does, then you're obligated to sell your shares, okay? At that price. They don't really care because they own the stock enough, so they're just looking for income. So the worst case scenario is they're selling your stock, okay? You're just long the stock, you're selling calls to get premium. What do sellers get? They get premium. They have obligations. Remember that. That's key. You have to remember that. We're telling you this because you need a strong foundation on options. So these are basically some of the basic strategies you're gonna wanna learn before you start options trading. we did. Make sure you just check our video. Listen, all the videos we did yesterday, we did the expected move. That's going to help you with options. That's going to help make you money. All right. Second is you're going to want to know the basics of what's going on. It's getting mad dark, so I'm going to wrap this up. Check out the vibes we're at. That's it for right now. Rel here, rel out. Watch me disappear.